Oh. Is that going? No, wait. Drain plug.
This one?
Yeah. Loosen, it's tight. If you feel it, it's gonna squirt. Like if you're gonna loosen it. Oh. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my new vlog. If you guys know, I'm teaching my sister how to do an oil change in my car. So yeah, before I start the vlog, I just want to say thank you so much for the whole people watching my videos. Thank you so much. Without you guys, I'm not doing this. Thank you so much. Okay, now first we have to go to Walmart because I have a oil pan, but it's only for like 5 or 6 quarts. The Mercedes takes like 9 quarts, so it probably spit out 9 quarts or 8 quarts. So I have to buy a bigger oil drain pan. And I have to wake up my sister and then I want her to eat breakfast. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the Walmart. Wake up. Hey. It's actually raining hard right now. I don't know if we can do the oil change today. We might do it tomorrow. We're just gonna convert the video from today's video to tomorrow's video. But you never know, the rain might stop. But yeah, it's really raining, so I'll see you guys at the car. We are here in the car with my sister.
Hi.
Yeah, it's really raining hard. I thought it's not gonna rain because it says on the weather it's gonna be cloudy, but I think they lie. So right now we're gonna go head to Walmart. I think we're gonna buy some games.
Yeah, finally.
Comment down below what type of games you're gonna get. You gonna surprise the subscribers?
No, I'm gonna get Minecraft.
Nope, she's not gonna get Minecraft. So see you guys at Walmart. So we out here at Walmart. I know. We might post the oil change today, and then we're just gonna combine the 2 videos because it's really raining really hard. But we have to get the oil first, and then I believe all the Mercedes takes 0.40. I'm not sure, but that's all the research I have done is 0.40. This bad boy later, 0.40. Like I said, I need a drain plug drain pan. This is the only pan I have in my house, and this is only like 5 or 6 quarts. Mercedes has like 8 to 9 quarts, so I'm not sure if it's gonna fit or it's gonna spill. So I think I have to go with the 16 quarts because I don't want to be 10 quarts. It's too small. Well, 23 is too big, so I have to go with the 16 quarts. We got the stuff, and any subscribers guessed it right?
No.
I bought her the Super Mario Party.
I was gonna get the Minecraft, but I changed my mind and I got this one.
Alright. Oh my god, it's so raining. I think this is the bad time to work on the car. But look at it, she's happy, she got her game.
Yeah. But it's wait, is it like the thing you put the game card?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Just wondering.
This is her first game.
Yeah.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
So this is for the lunch. Arroz caldo. Mom, my dad.
It's Lugao. Can I have some of the thing you put on the thing?
So we just finished eating lunch. Right now we're gonna do the oil change for my car, and I got the filter already. And I think my sister is hiding from me. Ah! So basically we got the oil 040, and we got the another oil 040, because this thing takes 9 quarts. This is a huge engine. So I'm gonna open the garage, and then we'll get the tools, and she's gonna do the oil change for me. Oh shit. Okay. So we're gonna get the oils. Get the oil, please. Put it right here. Bam. Luckily the rain stopped, so we have a time to do it, because I was scared that it's gonna rain, and then I was like, we might do it another day, but luckily the rain stopped. So first I'm like, oh, my toes. Ah shit. I'm gonna use this thing. First thing first, we have to lift the car. Can you lift the car?
Yeah.
Lift it? Let me see. So I might help her to lift the car. Oh my god! I thought it was raining. I was like, Jesus Christ. I might help her to lift the car, and after that, I'm gonna help her how to do this stuff. So I properly checked the car already. So are you ready to go in? To get underneath, I'm sorry. You ready?
Yeah.
So first you have to get the cardboard over there.
So I take the thing out?
Yes. You have to go underneath. Not there, over here. Over here.
What?
Yes. Oh, okay, let me help her real quick. Okay, first thing first, if you go in European cars or any stuff like luxury car, all the filters will be, not all, but I know all the Mercedes-Benz have the same different engine. Oil filter will be right here. You have to take it off before you take it off the drain plug. So, do you mind? Nope, you gotta hold it. It'll be like that. And now, pull it, push it, go.
This way?
Yeah. Go back.
This is hard. Okay.
Go back. Need help?
No, I don't.
Ow.
This is what you do every day?
Yes. I think it's loosened enough, you see? Move it.
Does it explode?
No.
Does it explode? Don't touch it.
You get your hands dirty. Go, you just use your hand. There we go. Lift it. Ew. See that gooey stuff?
Yeah. What is
So you know how to do it, right? Just put it, just shove it in there.
Okay.
But first, you're really making a big mess. So where's the other towel? We successfully removed the old one. It's right there. And she's putting the new one now. Okay. Push it more harder. There you go.
Put it back in.
Yes.
And then,
But see, the O-ring is still good, but you don't really have to replace it. But you can replace it. This stuff comes with the new O-rings, but I might change it because that's kind of hard for her. So, how do you feel that you remove an oil filter?
I feel like I'm a pro.
You're a pro?
No,
I've been doing this all day. So, he has a shield, and then I believe that's gonna be 8. There's 2 bolts over there. It's 8mm too. And then yeah, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you have to get the tool first.
What tool?
The tool's gonna be right here.
What do you have to do?
Just press it. Remove it. You ready?
What do I do?
There's an 8mm there. Remove it.
Is it gonna follow me?
No, let's go. No, relax. Don't be scared. We're not gonna follow you. Oh, keep going. Keep going. No. Keep going. Good. Remove the bolt.
My ball's gonna follow me.
No, see? Not gonna fall, see? And there's another one over there.
Where?
Right there. Right there, see? Far from the, right there.
Okay.
Right there. Over there. Right there. There you go. Good job. Oh. Is that going? No, wait.
Not that one.
So you have to loosen it up by your hand.
Where? Which one?
The drain plug.
This one?
Yeah. Loosen the side. If you feel it, it's gonna squirt. If you're gonna loosen up, go like fast. Keep going. One more. Right there. Boom. NANI?
Gosh.
I'll give you a towel right now.
Guys, look at that. It's squirting all. Is that oil?
Yeah.
That looks cool. Is it bad if you touch that?
Huh?
Is it bad if you touch it?
Yeah. What you what?
If you touch it?
No.
Because I kind of touched some when I took it off. Oh, can you guys see that? It's right there. It looks frozen because there's a bunch. See that? It looks so frozen. But that's all liquid. Oh.
So this is what happened. This is what happened if you don't change your oil a lot. This thing gets stuck really. Big shout out to my mom for keep using my car, and then she doesn't change the oil. Big shout out to your mom.
Your mom. My mom. Our mom. Oh, it wasn't that stuck.
Big shout out to your mom. That's good.
This one's for you. Look.
Yes. Make sure it's aligned properly. Go.
It's good. Oh, that's keep going. That's keep going. That's fine.
That's it. That's it.
You're so.
You're gonna use this tool. Oh wait, hold up.
It's that one.
Okay. Nope, you have to put it in first. Try to spin the thing right there. Push it. And pull it. Go. And then go back. That's good. I'll do it. That's good. That's good. That's fine. Okay, for the final step, just pour in. Go. How do you feel? Do you feel you're a mechanic now?
No.
Do you think you can be a mechanic?
No, because I'm not strong.
Do you want to be a mechanic?
Maybe.
Maybe. So she's gonna start the car right now. Oh, she's turning it off. That's good. Leave it like that.
I don't know how to start a car.
So fresh oil, fresh filter, everything is new. So after like a couple seconds, I'll check the oil level. How do you feel? You're a pro mechanic now.
No.
High five.
I don't have a certificate.
You have a certificate? So we're gonna check the oil level right now. So clean this thing. Clean. Put this thing back again. And you can see it's on the top level. Right there. Alright, so that means that's good to go. This thing takes 9 quarts, so for FYI, if you guys don't know, all the Mercedes repairing cars, they take a lot of oils. Especially this one, because it's a V8, it takes more than like 9 quarts. If you're having the S600, that's a V12. I believe that thing takes around like 12 quarts of oil, so that's why Mercedes, BMWs, all the repair dealership will charge you really high about the oil change, because they take a lot of oil, and especially they only have the special. So yeah, I'm gonna skip the part for resetting the maintenance light because it takes a while. I have to use a scan tool for that one. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the house. So before I end the vlog, just want to say thank you so much for watching my video, make it to the end of my vlog. My sister right here. How do you feel doing an oil change for the first time?
It was fun. It felt kind of hard.
So I forgot, today is the day for the Super Bowl. What team do you guys comment down below. I like Patriots and like Rams, so I don't really care who will win or who will lose. But yeah, thank you so much for making it the end of my vlog. I love you guys so much.
So he's gonna loosen the thing up for me. Got this really bright light. Like really bright. Are you okay?
Oh shit.